we have treated highest common factor already, but today we are going to look at another method of finding highest common factor, and that is the factorization method of finding highest common factor of numbers. We do this by expressing the numbers as product prime numbers. Okay, now let's take this question. Find the HCF of 24 and 40. Find the HCF of 24 and 40. Start by expressing 24 as a product of prime numbers. So we put 24 in this circle and then we split it. We are using the factor tree. So we split it and we have 12 and 2. You can use any other numbers. You can use 6 and 4. The most important thing is you have to keep splitting until you get a prime number. Okay, so I am using 2 and 12. 2 is a prime number, but 12 is not a prime number. So we split it again and we are going to get 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Again, 2 is a prime number, but 6 is not a prime number. So we split the 6 and then we get 2 and 3, which are prime numbers. Now, the numbers in red are the prime factors of the number 24, because when you multiply them, they are giving you 24. Now, let's go to 40. The prime factors of 40. So you put 40 in the circle, then you split it. You get 2 and 20. I use 2 and 20. Again, you can use 10 and 4. Okay, now 2 is a prime number. So you split it. You are going to get, you split the 20, you are going to get 2 and 10. 2 and 10. Again, 2 is a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. So split the 10 and we are going to get 2 and 5. Okay, now from the factor tree, the prime factors of 24 and 40 are, for 24, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And then for 40, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Now, the common factors are the numbers in the red circle. 2 are appearing here, and then here, and here, and at the same time here and here. So to write our answer, the HCF of 40 and 24 is to multiply the common factors. So we multiply 2 by 2 and then another 2 and we get 8. Okay, now sometimes prime factors may be expressed in an index form. For example, if you have the number 48 and you are to express 48 as a product of prime numbers, when you use the factor tree, you are going to get 2 raised to the power 4 times 3. That is in an index form. So now let's take this question. Find the HCF of 48, 30, and 18. Okay, now in an index form, 48 is going to give us 2 raised to the power 4 times 3. 60 is going to give us 2 raised to the power 2 times 3 times 5. And then 18 is going to give us 2 times 3 raised to the power 2. Now, to write our answer, we pick out the factor with the smallest power. We pick out the factor with the smallest power and multiply them. Now, let's see which numbers are common. You can see we have 2 and 3 that are common. Okay, but we have 2 raised to the power 4 and 2 raised to the power 2, as well as 2 raised to the power 1. So we pick 2 raised to the power 1 because it has the lowest power. Now again, 3 is common. We have 3, another 3, and then 3 raised to the power 2. So we pick 3, and then our answer for the HCF of 48, 30, and 18 is 6.